friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Houseplants. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest sticker haul from Orange Umbrella Co. and Fern Creek Stickers. So let's take a peek. Alrighty friends, so I opened both of my packages and we're going to start with Fern Creek Stickers. So here's her business card. Use code THANKS15 for 15% off your order. So that's her discount code. And so I got a couple of fun things here that are non-kit releases. So this is a countdown to Christmas. I thought this was really cute with the little like laurel leaves here and just the countdown here. Just very simple, black and white. You've got Christmas, Christmas Eve, and then Merry Christmas down below. So a couple little quotes there. And then this one I thought was cute. This one's colorful Christmas countdown. And so there's 1 month and then each of the countdown days, there's some other fun things like family time, 2 months until Christmas, 3 months, etc. See Christmas lights, visit Santa. So like just things that you would do during the Christmas holiday season. And look at how sweet, like there's all these little like deco things with the little countdown numbers. I thought this was really cute and a couple little pieces of deco here. So I liked both of them. I'm not sure which one I'll use, but I thought I'll just buy both and then I can decide. And then this is a Christmas quote. Isn't this cute? Cold hands, warm heart, chilling with my snowmies, warm winter wishes. There's no place like home. So this is more like winter phrases. Let's get cozy. I thought they were cute. And then you know how I love quotes. This one's for Christmas quotes. We wish you a Merry Christmas, let it snow, eat, drink, and be merry. This one's cute, Merry Christmas. There's no place like home for the holidays. Farm fresh Christmas trees. I just thought this was really sweet. So I got that one. And then this is kit 192. This is going to be my December budget kit. And it's called Christmas Cheer. So I have here the savings tracker and then the sinking funds header. I love the pretty poinsettias. Isn't that cute? And then I have the plum paper monthly header sheet because this will fit. I can make this work for my happy planner that I use for my budget. Just really classic Christmas style. I loved it. Okay, so then the next one I have here, this is called Vintage Christmas, and it is kit 193. So this is the freebie. So what Elizabeth at Fern Creek Stickers does is she'll have like her new releases for the month and each one will have a freebie. And so she'll send you like this nice big quarter sheet, freebie sheet with like the kit that you ordered, or you can specify which one you want. So we've got Hanukkah begins and ends, winter begins, Christmas Eve. So a bunch of little headers here. This is really nice. Kwanzaa, New Year's Eve, Christmas. And then some fun little stickers here. Joy, a couple little gift wrap packages. Couple little boxes there. I think that's cute. And then I have here the extras. So these are the date headers and then like checklists, the date dots, couple little pieces of washi. I love all these little curly cues and the little flags. And then this here I got because I love this. This is the deco sheet. I just thought these were so cute. The hope, love, peace, light, and all the little gifts and the little wreath. Very classic Christmas to me. I really like this. And then here we have the full boxes. These are really fun. I just thought they were super pretty. This is cute, the little gift tag. And then I really like these little torn washi strips here. I've used those as headers, so that's fun. And then I did get the deluxe washi because I just thought it was really pretty. I love this. I love this one here with the holly, and Christmas trees and little Christmas gifts. And then this is the essential sheet, her sampler. So you got a full box here, some more of that torn washi, a bunch of scripts, a bunch of icons, and then functional and decorative boxes and the weekend banner. So that's that. So a couple of December things from Fern Creek Stickers. And then next from Orange Umbrella Co. Let's take a look at the freebies. You always get so many freebies. I love it. Okay, so Happy New Year 2024. This is fun. So a couple little deco pieces for the season. And then grocery shopping, a little mixed script there. Internally screaming, oh my God, I love this. This is hilarious. I could have used this at work the other day. I love it. And then we've got Spaz eating tacos and then a little day off. That's cute, like a little desk calendar that says day off. Okay, so those are the freebies from Fern Creek Stickers. And then let's start with kit 276. And this is called Berry Festive. So I have here date dots, because she's now separating her date dots from her like monthly sheet. So I got this one in the Erin Condren 7x9 because I was going to use this for my social media for December. So it's got boxes here, the main like washi header for the month, and then the date dots, as I mentioned, are separate now. And then I got some additional labels in case I needed them to fill out for my videos. And then I did get the deluxe washi just because look at how gorgeous this is. It's so pretty. I might use this or maybe the other one from Fern Creek Stickers for my Clean Mama. We'll see. I just wanted to have options. And then I have the deco sheet because it's gorgeous. I thought this would be fun to use. And then I have the weekly kit. So these are the TPC sized boxes. They're more square versus more rectangular from the traditional full boxes for a vertical weekly. I just thought this was so gorgeous. I love this. Look at this box here, how pretty that is. And then I have brushstroke date headers. And then I have the mini kit sheet 1. So a bunch of icons, some functional and decorative boxes. This is a beautiful full box here. Washi, very pretty. And then this is sheet 2. So you get a couple of habit trackers, some brushstroke labels, functional, some more washi, the little torn piece here. I really like this because I use this now in my weekly plans. It's really fun to have that. You don't have to necessarily buy the journaling to get these little pieces because she has one here on this sheet. So that's kind of fun. Okay, this is kit 284 and it's called Rosy Cheeks. Isn't that sweet? I got the deco because again, I just thought it was so pretty. I love this floral. And the big bumblebee, so cute. Okay, so again with the TPC sized, more square shaped full boxes. I just thought these were pretty. Isn't that cute? It's just kind of different. I don't know, I really liked it. And then I got the brushstroke date headers. This is a really pretty dark burgundy color. I like that a lot. And then again, the mini kit sheet 1. So another full box, decorative, functional boxes, washi, icons. And then mini kit sheet 2. So some more functional boxes, some cute brushstroke strips, and then the habit trackers and your scripts here. This is so, so darling. I love the geometric shape there. And then I did get the transparent deco and the transparent journaling because I wanted to have these for my sterling ink little planner, which that is a whole conversation we have to have separate. Look at how pretty this is. I just think that's gorgeous. And then I also got the deluxe washi. This right here is just so beautiful to me. So who knows, maybe I'll use it in November for my Clean Mama page. We'll see. And then this is kit 285. It's called Icy. Look at how sweet this is. I love the little snow globe and the red robin. So cute. Again, TPC shaped boxes. I love those. Brushstroke date headers. I love this blue. This is what really caught my eye, is this blue. And then mini kit sheet 1. More fun washi. That cute snow globe in a bigger box. Decorative functional boxes. And then sheet 2. This is a pretty color here. It's kind of like a pale mauve because there's a little like lavender tint to it. But look at this washi. I thought that was so cute with the little robin. How sweet is that? The little, is that a dove? I don't know. It's so cute. I love this. Okay, so that's it. That's just a real quick look at the latest and greatest kits. So I think I'm set for November and December now between this order and my previous one. Now I have a question for you, friends. So my friend Saya from Saya Planning, who does all of my Clean Mama scripts and a bunch of my other scripts like my habits and all that, she came over to my house and we were doing a sticker destash. So my question to you is, I have this big bag full of sheets of leftover stickers. So like this one was like maybe a couple weeks ago I used this one. We've got a bunch of scripts here that Saya contributed to the pile. I've got boxes. I mean, this is enough for someone to make a week out of it. Like this one here. Some of these are full sheets. And then like, look, there's a lot of washi there, a couple of boxes. Like I keep collecting and collecting stacks and stacks of, you know, partially, you know, I've used it for the kit. I probably could use it again, but I was thinking it's been a while since I've done a giveaway. Look at all these sheets from Saya Planning. I was thinking, look at this stack here. I wanted to do a giveaway. And I just wanted to know from you friends first. Tell me in your comments, is this worth it? Like, is anyone interested in this? Would anyone, like maybe a new planner, or maybe someone who just does more functional, or just wants bits and pieces of washi and full boxes and things because they do more journaling style or bullet journaling? Like maybe all you need is just a couple pieces of like a full boxes, or like little pieces of washi that you could then, like these that you could tear and use in your like more journaling style type of planning. So let me know, friends, because I'm happy to like put these in a flat rate mailer and do like a little raffle if anyone's interested in all of these leftover, I loved this kit, leftover bits and pieces. Let me know. Look at, here's like 3 pieces of full washi here, and 3 full boxes and all icons, a couple of little scripts. Like someone could definitely, right, make a whole week. Here's another piece of that kit. So let me know if you think like one man's trash is another man's treasure, I guess as the saying goes. Let me know if anyone's interested in me doing a little raffle for my D-stash. Let me show you that's how thick the pile would be. I should have weighed this. Maybe if you guys tell me if you want to do a D-stash, I'll let you know how much it weighs. But I was thinking it would fit in a flat rate box, and I'd be happy to do a raffle. But let me know if this is a good idea or a bad idea, friends. All right, I'm gonna pull everything back in for one last look. Alrighty, friends, I'm really excited for the holiday season coming up. I've started doing some of my Christmas shopping already, and I feel like I have all of my kits. I just need to file all of these in my storage album so I can make sure I have something for every week. And I think I'm good, friends. I'm really excited. All right, friends, let me know if you want me to do a raffle for my D-stash, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.